Hello dear students, welcome to this online video lectures. Myself Pawar May from HM College, Karad, conducting here these video lectures under the Rayat Online School Education, that is the ROSE project. I am conducting here fourth lecture from biology. The topic is biodiversity conservation and environmental issues. Moves to the next slide. Third lecture we have to see the conservation of biodiversity. There are two strategies, ex situ conservation and in situ conservation. Ex situ conservation means offsite conservation and in situ conservation means on-site conservation. There are two strategies of the conservation of biodiversity. Now today's lecture we start. Next point is environmental issues. There are important environmental issues are the pollution, global warming, overexploitation, waste disposal, ocean acidification, loss of biodiversity, deforestation, and ozone layer depletion is the important environmental issues. So, next, exponential growth of human population coupled with industrial development has resulted in the rampant loss of natural resources over last 10 decades. So environmental issues are harmful effect of human activity of the biophysical environment. Environmental protection is a practice of protecting the natural environment on the individual, organization of governmental levels for the benefits of both environment and humans. These are the environmental issues. Next, this uncontrolled exploitation of nature disturbed the delicate balance between living and non-living component of a biosphere. Utilization and production of synthetic material and construction activities have pumped several undesired substances in ecosphere. Moves to the next slide. These are picture shows types of pollution. First, noise pollution, soil pollution, radioactive pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. These are the types of the pollution. Next, any substances that causes pollution is called as the pollutant. In order to protect and improve the quality of our environment, the government of India has passed the Environment Protection Act in 1986. Moves to the next slide. Air pollution. What is meant by air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in their air, car emissions, chemical from factories, dust, pollen, and mold spores may be suspended as particles. Ozone, a gas, is a major part of air pollution in cities. When ozone from air pollution is called as the smog. Means ozone layer forms a air pollution is called as the smog. Effect of air pollution. Respiratory surfaces of living beings are constantly interacting with air. Any unfavorable alteration in air quality affects the respiratory system. Severity of damage depends on the concentration of pollutant, duration of exposure, and the organisms. Even in case of plants, air pollution resulted in poor yield of crops and premature death of the plants. Air pollution is the resulted in poor yield and crop and premature death of the plants. There is effect of air pollution. Moves to the next slide. Nowadays, automobiles are omnipresent. There are major cause of atmospheric pollution. These are some picture shows are the air pollution. Moves to the next slide. The picture shows air pollution. Types of the air pollutants. Air pollutants are two types: particulate pollutants and gaseous pollutants. Moves to the next slide. So, we study one by one pollutant types. First, particulate air pollutants. It may be solid or liquid. Particles with a diameter 10 mm may settle in the soil, but particles with 1 mm or less remain suspended in the air. According to Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB), particulate matter of size 2.5 mm or less in diameter are responsible for causing the greatest harm to humans. Moves to the next slide. These fine particles can be inhaled deep into the lungs and are responsible for irritation, inflammation, and damage to lungs. These are effect on lungs and they damage to the lungs. In addition to this causes breathing and respiratory disorders and premature death. Smoke, smog, pesticides, heavy metals, dust and radioactive elements are the example of particulate pollutants. Smog means is the ozone layer forms a air pollution is called as the smog. Moves to the next slide. Second type of pollutants is a gaseous pollutants, including carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen monoxide. It is the included gaseous pollutants. First is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. It is in the past level of CO2 in the atmosphere remained low. Due to a burning of fossil fuels as well as increasing deforestation, the level of CO2 are rising at alarming rate. Photosynthesis process balance CO2 as a O2 ratio of the air to the great extent. Moves to the next slide. Carbon dioxide is also removed from the air by weathering of silicate rock forming limestone. A jet plane in a single trip across the Atlantic uses 35 tons of oxygen and releases 70 tons of carbon dioxide. Moves to the next slide. Next, carbon monoxide. It is the poisonous gas produced by the incomplete combustion of fuel such as coal or wood. Vehicular exhausts are the largest source of carbon monoxide. Next, nitrogen dioxide and nitrogen monoxide. These are released by automobiles and chemical industries as waste gases. Nitrogen dioxide, when combines with water vapors from nitric acid, it causes irritation to eyes and lungs. These are effect of the nitrogen dioxide in the direct eyes or lungs. At a high concentration, it causes injury to lungs, liver and kidneys. Nitrogen dioxide is the high concentration. It causes injury to lungs and the kidney. Moves to the next slide. Their control measures. Various igneous mechanisms have been developed to control the emissions of gaseous and particulate pollutants through vehicles and industries. First, electrostatic precipitator. It is most widely used for removing particulate matter like soot and dust present in industrial exhaust. It can remove almost 99% particulate matter present in exhaust from the thermal power plant. Moves to the next slide. The picture actually shows electrostatic precipitator. Is the positively charged collector plates, negatively charged metal grid, gas stream containing particulate picks up negative charge, clean gas stream and particles removed. Is the picture shows electrostatic precipitator. Moves to the next slide. In this method, high voltage is applied and electrical discharge take place which causes ionization of air in the smokestack. Free electrons in the ionized air get attached to the gaseous dust particles moving up the stack. These negatively charged particles moved towards the positive electrode and settle down there. These particles are removed by vibrations of the electrodes and collected in their reservoir. Moves to the next slide. Second is excess gas scrubber. Excess gas scrubber are used to clean air for both dust and gases by passing it through dry or wet packing material. It can remove gases like SO2 in the scrubber. The excess is passed through a spray of water or lime. Moves to the next slide. The picture shows excess gas scrubber. It is the contaminated gas in liquid distributor, mist eliminator, scrubbing liquid in packed bed, liquid reservoir and scrubbing liquid out. These are picture shows the excess gas scrubber. Moves to the next slide. Third is catalytic converters. Motor vehicles equipped with catalytic converters should use unleaded petrol because lead in the petrol inactivates the catalyst. Excess passes enter the reduction block of the catalyst where the oxide of nitrogen react forming nitrogen and oxygen. Second, the excess gases then enter the oxidation block of the catalyst where hydrocarbons and the newly formed oxygen react from the carbon dioxide. The excess that exists the converted in less harmful. The catalytic converter is the converter is a less harmful. Moves to the next slide. Catalytic converter. The picture shows is the catalytic converter. Moves to the next slide. Controlling vehicular air pollution, a case study of Delhi. In the year 1990, Delhi ranked 4th among 41 most polluted cities of the world. In a response to PIL, means public interest legislation, Supreme Court of India sent orders to Delhi government to take appropriate actions. In response, several measures were taken by Delhi government. By 2002, all the city buses were converted to run on CNG. CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Moves to the next slide. CNG is advantageous over other fuel because it is a economic, burns efficiently and is adulteration proof fuel. According to new fuel policy, the norms are set to reduce sulfur and aromatic content of a petrol and diesel. Another provision in upgradation of engines for this Bharat Stage Emissions Standards BS are set. These standards are equivalent to Euro norms and have evolved on similar lines as a Bharat Stage Second to BS VI from 2001 to 2017. Moves to the next slide. Observe this chart. The chart shows Bharat Stage Emission Standard in cities of India, types of vehicles, norms and cities of implementation. First, four-wheelers. Norms Bharat Stage Third, cities of implementation throughout the country since October 2010. Next, four-wheeler, Bharat Stage 4, 13 mega diversities, Delhi and NCR, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Surat, Kanpur, Agra, Lucknow and Sholapur since April 2010. There is the cities of implementations. Next type of vehicle, three-wheelers, norms Bharat Stage 3rd throughout the country since October 2010 is the cities of implementation, and the types of vehicle, two-wheelers, norms Bharat Stage 3rd and cities of implementation is the throughout the country since October 2010. The chart shows Bharat Stage emission standards in cities of India. Modes to the next slide. Do you know Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Clean Fuel Program it was launched by Prime Minister of India on 1st May 2016 to distribute 50 million LPG connections to women of BPL families. In many BPL families, chulhas are used where incomplete combustion of wood and coal leads to CO poisoning. Use of LPG helps in reducing such household air pollution. Modes to the next slide. Note that in 2001, Bharat Stage second emission norms were set for CNG and LPG vehicles. Modes to the next point. It stipulates that emission of sulfur be controlled at 50 ppm in diesel and 150 ppm in petrol. Aromatic hydrocarbons should be just 42% in concerned fuel. The aim is to reduce the sulfur emission to 50 ppm in a petrol and diesel along with aromatic hydrocarbons to 35%. Government of India directly adopted BS 6 in the year 2018, skipping BS 5. These efforts decreased the levels of CO2 and SO2 in Delhi. Modes to the next slide. Colder weather and stagnant winds trap smoke from various sources like firecrackers, burning crop stubbles, garbage and road dust. Citizens suffered breathlessness, chest muscles, contraction, irritations in eyes, asthmas and allergies. These are effect in the human population. Cities of suffered breathlessness, chest muscles, contractions, irritations in eyes, asthma and allergy. Administration took certain measures like closing educational institution, suspending of construction or demolition work, undertaking vacuum cleaning of roads, etc. Even Badarpur thermal power plants was temporarily closed down. Moves to the next slide. Second type of pollution is the noise pollution. What is meant by noise pollution? Noise pollution is the also known as environmental noise or sound pollution is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life, most of them harmful degree, is known as the noise pollution or also known as the environmental noise. In India, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 Amendment 1987 includes noise as an air pollutant. Noise is an undesired high level of sound. Noise causes psychological and physiological changes in human beings. There is dire need of creating awareness about noise pollution caused during festivals and procession in our society. Moves to the next slide. Exposure to extremely high sound level 150 decibel or more generate during a takeoff a jet plane or rocket may damage eardrums and cause permanent hearing loss. So means the jet plane is or a rocket may damage eardrums of humans and cause a permanent hearing loss. Noise also can causes sleepiness, increased heartbeats, altered breathing pattern and psychological stress. Noise may negatively interfere with child's learning and behavior pattern. The common sources of noise pollution are machines, transportation, construction sites, industries, etc. These are the example of the noise pollution. Machines, transportation means rail or plane, etc. Construction sites and industries, there are many loud sound produced and forms a noise pollution in the air. The picture shows actually noise pollution. Many examples of the noise pollution. See here. These are the examples of the noise pollution. Aeroplane, cars, car emissions, and some of the examples of the noise pollution. Moves to the next slide. Reduction of noise in our industries can be brought about by use of sound absorbent materials or by muffling the noise. Laws which prohibit blowing horn in the areas of school and hospitals needs to be implemented strictly to curb decibel levels. Government of India has rules and regulations against firecrackers and loudspeakers. Supreme Court of India has banned loudspeakers at public gatherings after 10 p.m. Moves to the next slide. So, we study the noise pollution, air pollution. These are the examples of the environmental issues. Some issues are the pollution, overpopulation, ozone depletion. It is the examples of the environmental issues. And types of pollutants, particle pollutants. There are the study in the lecture. Now next point is continue in the next lecture. Thank you.